How to fix Crunchyroll error code. First, if you're having any kinds of error code showing on the Crunchyroll application while you open it, what you want to do is you want to simply close the app completely first. After that, you want to simply check for internet connection. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working and is not connected to any kinds of VPN on the device. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply restart the Crunchyroll application over here. You want to simply clear your cache as well. Once, tap and hold onto the app, tap on eye icon, and you want to simply scroll down and tap on storage. Here we'll quickly clear our cache over here, and we want to simply open the app again. And once you do so, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. However, if you still have any kinds of problem, you want to simply go to your Play Store and check for any kinds of available update. You want to simply search for Crunchyroll app over here. If any kinds of update is available on the app, you want to simply update it from here and you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.